Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2008 RL. If you're looking for top-notch crash scores on a vehicle that has a wealth of standard features, the Acura RL fits the bill. This luxury vehicle is packed with technology, has a high-class interior, and handles superbly in all kinds of weather, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, XM satellite radio, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, one owner, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.